Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll learn how to extract study area from Google Earth and convert that KMZ file into a shapefile. So first of all, you have to search that particular area in the search toolbox, which is right there. For example, I want to extract the boundary of the Islamabad, so I write Islamabad and click on the search button. As you see, the Google Earth locate that area, so make sure you have checked the layer named by borders and labels. After that, you have to click on that polygon button and create a boundary around by tracing this boundary. So I click on this and create the boundary. So you can change the style and color for visibility. Write the name of that polygon and click on OK. So this is my polygon. I will export into KMZ file by right clicking on this polygon, go to save place as, and I will drop my KMZ file in my desktop by name my study area and click on save. Now you have to convert the KMZ file into a shapefile. For that purpose, you have to go to Arc toolbox. After that, you go to conversion tools and select the tool from KML tool layer. Double click on it. Give the path of the KMZ file. This one, and click on OK. So as you see, the KMZ file has been converted into the shapefile. So in this way, you can extract the study area from Google Earth and convert into a shapefile like this. Hope so you like that video. If you really get any kind of information from that video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.